Do the unboxing of Mixder ANC G5 active noise cancellation in-ear headphone. So this is the box which we can see here. Oh, it's the same thing written here again. This side nothing, and this side again the model number is written here. This side nothing. Back you have some specification written in all the language, not all the language basically, but yeah, from English, French, Japanese, and Chinese, then Russian also. Okay, fine, good. There is this serial number, I think. I don't know why they have given it, and there is a barcode as well. Serial number, maybe that's for the warranty purpose. Could it be? I don't know. Let's see. Now let's just open this thing. Okay, what we have inside is we have this. It looks like just about the product, extra warranty program, golden card. I have to go through it. One good love sign here, and they have their Facebook and their mail ID and everything here, which you guys can go through. And they have, okay, I can see one thing is app@mixsider.com. I think maybe they're about to launch an app or something related to this thing. Could it be? And this is a user manual of this. Let's just go through this a little bit faster, not like we don't have to read the whole thing. Okay, so basically they're just showing how to operate and the part's name and everything. And I think they have this also in different languages. It starts from English, then goes to, I think this is Spanish, and then French and Russian. Now this is the, okay, this looks like the cover and the product is inside this. Let's just open it. First of all, the cover looks nice, and they have made the cover really nicely. And okay, yeah, so that's what the product is. This is just coming with this plastic. Let's just take it off. Okay, fine. Basically what you can see here is upper part is made of this wire. I mean the wire is there from top to bottom, but this is like a wire made of plastic, no, whatever the normal conventional wires are, and this is basically made of cloth. So I mean, according to me personally, I like cloth thing because they generally go for a long time compared to the other side. But yeah, the build quality as of now looks nice. It's about around 2 feet long this side, and it's around less than 1 feet long this side. Let's now see the product. I hope you can get a good view. Okay, this is back, and now this, fine. And I did not hear it as of now, so I can't tell you much about it. Let's just talk about the build quality. This side looks like metal, and this side is made of plastic, and they have these earbuds just along with it. And this is for the when you put it inside your ear, then it is going to be good for holding it. Now let's just go to this main part. Okay, here this is a clip they have given you just for the, like, you know, when if you're listening to it, then you can put it in your, like, you know, near your shirt or something else. Oh, this side you have a USB. I don't know why they have given this USB. I have to just go through the, or maybe I have to listen to the whole thing, then only I'll be able to tell you. But I think this is for charging, because what else can it be? Because it's not a Bluetooth, it's a wired one. And this is for the button. This button is for the calling, I think, because they have a mic. Yes, so that's mean it is just not only for listening. You can use it in your phone as well. This is a on-off button, as we know about it, that this is for the noise cancellation especially. So I think this button is for the noise cancellation. And yeah, this is a hole for the mic, and when you click this one, that side for the making it on, then you can see this blue LED which is glowing. That is just somehow telling you to that it is on. And they have tried to just kind of maybe copy Apple. This is the concept which Apple came for the first time in their phone, in the slider. So that's, you can see that red thing inside. So even if you do not see the blue button, you know that it is on now. Okay, now this is off. And in my later part of the video, I'll tell you how it is actually about, like, this active noise cancellation, and how is the quality of the like voice actually. Okay, now let's see the other thing which is inside this. Okay, now what I can see here is, okay, this is that charging cable. They don't have a charging adapter. Basically it's a charging cable which you can use with any, I think, 5 volt 1 ampere charger, and then you can charge it. So basically I'll just open it and show it to you guys. This quality is just, I will not say it's bad, but it is not even great. It's an average thing. It's just a normal USB with this small USB which goes here, which I showed you before. That's for the charging, this one. And okay, what's here? Okay, now we have these some extra earbuds inside. It's written L here, so that's basically large earbuds, and I think then it must be M. So basically this is large earbud, this is medium earbud, and I think they have put the smaller one in the pack. Okay, so as of now, and this case again, yeah, I like the case. Rest I'll tell you about the product and the quality in my next video. Thank you for watching.